Getting the Call of Duty server disconnected error? Don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, check the official Activision server status page or social media to see if servers are down globally. If they are, you'll need to wait until they're back online. If servers are fine, restart your game and router. A quick reset often clears temporary connection drops. Next, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection if possible. This reduces packet loss and stabilizes gameplay. On console, make sure an AT type is set to open in your network settings. On PC, try flushing DNS by typing ipconfig/flushdns in your command prompt and pressing enter. Also, disable any VPNs or firewalls that could block Call of Duty connection. If nothing works, reinstall the game's latest update to fix corrupted files. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll be back online in Call of Duty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.